Oh, look at the taggy. Oh, what the fuck? Ooh, what kind of car is that? Who got that car? I don't know who. What's up, guys? Back again with another video. This time we're gonna be doing oil change for Mazda Rx7. It's gonna be quick, gonna be easy, like me in bed. So we're gonna do it right about it now. Let me show you too. What the fuck? Let's get some old shit. Alright, let's go do it right. Alright, so the first thing you wanna do is jack me car up. So I can jack myself up. Point. A little bit more. Oh yeah. Jack this bitch. Alright, now that you just jack this bitch, you put the jack too. Yeah, good enough. Alright, and then the freaking bolt for the oil pin's right there. About to screw the bitch off. Oh yeah. Alright, now that we're under this hole, you gonna need a 19 with some booties on it. Cause that bitch is fucking fat. So we put it. Oh, I'm so weak. Do it and screw it a little bit. What's he doing here? Oh, hell, I'm too weak. Give me a second. Finally got that fucking bitch. He must have pain in my ears. Oh my god. Don't you get old ass cars. Alright, one. I do. And a sec. My tails. Should be all real. Oh yeah. Oh snap. She has lifted. Ooh, black in my. Yes. So let that motherfucker drain out. Oh yeah. Alright, now that's taken care of. What I want to do is oil filter right there. Good thing they're on top of here. Take that out. Put the new in. Put the oil. Bada bing, bada boom. Looks like pussy. Let's do it. Boo yeah. So now I got the filter out. Just twist this bad boy. And there you go. Now we put the new one. Oh. So I got the K&N one. Cause you know, this is my race car. Look at the size differences. What is this one? Parts AS. Interesting. Alright, I'll put this bad boy on. Ooh yeah. Alright, now screw this one back in place. Bada bing. Bada boom. Bada bum. Bada bum 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 bum. Not too tight, not too. That should be it. Alright, just put some oil in it. Put the bolt back under it, and that's it. After you tighten the bottom bolt, open the oil cap. Put that. It's a little shit. I just freaking cut a water bottle in half because my other funnels are dirty. Just drop it in. Alright, pour the whole thing in, and that's it. It takes the whole thing. Alright, if you're wondering, 20W50 because it's hot as fuck here in California. Shake and bake. I make my ass quake. Put the cap back on. And that's it. You're done. That's how you do an oil change for Mazda Rx7. If you like this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see your ears later. Peace. Alright, pour the whole thing in, and that's it. It takes the whole thing. Alright, if you're wondering, 20W50 because it's hot as fuck here in California. Shake and bake. I make my ass quake. Put the cap back on. And that's it. You're done. That's how you do an oil change for Mazda Rx7. If you like this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see your ears later. Peace.